congratulations, but you know they watch that shit. I ain't even gonna get mad.
Oh yeah.
Oh, ini pembahasan angklung berikutnya.
Yeah, listen to that. That's so cool.
Mulai sekali.
Reaction. Sometime. Mr. GM.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo amigos, halo dunia. Apa kabar semuanya lur? Welcome back to my channel. Masih bersama gue Mr. GM. Nah, kita santai sejenak sambil menonton dan mereaksi video. Ini pastinya masih tetap spektakuler. Terima kasih semuanya. Oke lur, ingat lur ya, batik. Nih, batik lur, simple tapi penuh makna. Yuk, tonton videonya sampai habis. Baiklah lur, masih di kali ini kita akan reaksi sebuah video yang pastinya masih super duper keren banget lur ya. Di video ini kita akan mereaksi ini dari channelnya seperti biasa, Mbak Waleska dan Mas Efra. Nah, ini tentang ini ya. Mereka mengatakan bahwa apa sih pacu jalur itu? Ini lagi viral banget lur ya. Ini orang Latin bereaksi terhadap balap perahu Indonesia Aura Farming Kit. Nah, pacu jalur lur. Nah, dulurku semua, ini pernah dengar nih ya tentang pacu jalur yang sedang viral-viralnya lur. Ini bukan sekedar lomba dayung biasa. Ini adalah salah satu warisan budaya yang paling energik banget lur dan memukau dari Kabupaten Kuantan Singingi. Nah, ini Provinsi Riau, Indonesia. Nah, tapi gimana ya reaksi orang luar negeri saat pertama kali ini melihat perpaduan antara seni tari dan kekompakan tim dan aura mistis yang kuat dari tradisi ini. Nah, di hari ini kita akan menyaksikan bagaimana para konten kreator luar negeri bereaksi terhadap pacu jalur. Ini balap perahu hingga aura farming yang epic dan penuh semangat. Siap-siap lur ya, siap-siap dibuat merinding dan bangga jadi bagian dari budaya Indonesia. Jadi penasaran lur ya, tapi sebelumnya jangan lupa video ini di like, di komen, di share sebanyak-banyaknya lur, dan mohon channel ini untuk di subscribe. Lebih jelasnya lagi, tanpa panjang kali lebar, yuk kita simak sama-sama. Oke lur, ini dia video viralnya lur, monggo.
It turns out there's a musical angle to this because if you've ever watched the races from Pacu Jalur, Pacu Jalur is the name of the actual boat races that take place in Indonesia. It is Sumatra, and the actual place is called Riau, the province. So this is like Batagnese. You know, we are somewhat familiar with this area of North Sumatra, I think. During these boat races, not only do you have the kids that go super viral because they go in the front of the boats, they're like the cheerleaders. Which obviously everyone has seen and everyone from all over the world is now replicating.
Don't say congratulations, but you know they watch that shit.
That's what I've seen.
Gonna get mad. I'm young, black and rich. She tryna sell me lies, bitch. I ain't buying shit.
So,
Come on, everybody.
virtually everyone.
Don't say congratulations, but you know they watch that shit. I ain't even gonna get mad. I'm young, black and rich. She tryna sell me lies.
Come on. This kid just won the world.
And it's funny because he's been going viral for a while. It's just they reached different league this year because of the whole aura farming thing. But he's not the only kid as well. Like there's plenty. This happens all the time. But this is the interesting part about this because during the races, they play instruments and
On the boat.
not on the boat, on the sidelines, because this is a very much traditional race. And some of the instruments they play we're fairly familiar with. Like for example, they play gamelan things. They also play this instrument. Like in case you don't know what gamelan is, have a look.
Honestly, it's so mind-boggling how that sounds.
So you can hear sometimes some gamelans. Also, this instrument, the angklung.
Oh yeah.
Oh, ini pembahasan angklung berikutnya nih.
It's played.
if you watch the actual races, you can hear the commentators and you'll hear all these instruments being played in the background. So look.
Masih berada di depan, tertinggal masih 3 putri
Komentator
Dubalang hitam yang berada di jalan sebelah kiri membelah panjang poin kelima. Masih nampaknya Panglima Orang Putih berada di depan. Akankah kemenangan sementara yang berada di haluan jalur Panglima Orang Putih akan mampu dipertahankannya sampai ke garis finish? Belum bisa kita pastikan, saudara-saudara. Yang jelas saat ini masih tinggal beberapa meter menjelang membelah
This is the
panjang
last stretch, by the way.
Sama sudah.
Fireworks. It's the event of the area.
Beberapa meter masuk sudah. Sementara putaran final masih Todong Biso Rimbo Piako mendahului.
Oh my God, they
Putri
go so
Anggun
hard.
Siberantula.
The people
They're coming back.
Di depan,
Dikejar.
Todong Biso.
Come on, Yellows, come on, come
Tampaknya hampir mampu disamakan. Todong Biso masuk.
Who won?
I think they did.
The red
Seru
ones.
banget loh.
The blue. Yeah, listen to that. That's so cool.
Mulai skalur.
And
Oh my God.
it's immensely
That
intriguing.
is such an intense sport. Like, did you see everybody going like 110,000 miles an hour? That's crazy.
The more interesting part about it is that parts of the dance, like you know how the kid, the kid or the aura farming kid is going viral
Yes.
because of the dance moves and stuff. He's obviously also taking the piss and he does like a lot of modern shit, but it does have its roots in a lot of
Pacu Jalur.
the event. You have dancers, Pacu Jalur event dancers, Pacu, and they do so similar moves. It's immensely intriguing. There is this video here that showcases some parts of it. It's not the best video. There aren't that many videos of footage of people actually doing the Pachu Jalur dance. But this is the best I could find.
Okay.
By the way, this is so fucking old. From the 1600s. No one really knows actually why people even started doing this. It's so unclear, but it has become a big time tradition, and also it has, you know, it helped with tourism and the preservation of the river. It is called the Sangini River. I'll tell you the actual name of the river. The Indragiri River. And there's pictures of it. Look, this is like 1900s. This is they've been doing this fucking race forever.
That is so cool.
But the super interesting part of
See,
it.
this is what I love about Indonesia. They really preserve their traditions, even when their origins are unclear.
It is on the west, so it originated the boat race originated from eastern west Sumatran regions like Tanah Datar and then Kuantan Singini, which is Sumatra. The whole thing is Sumatra. It is held annually, so a lot of the clips that you're watching right now of the Aura Farming Kid, they're last year's or the year before.
I see.
So that it's funny because they even made him open in like some Indonesian
Event.
football match. You know
Oh,
how?
of course.
Yeah. And he just looks like, oh fuck, you know, for the 50,000th.
I have to do this again.
He's like a good sport about it.
Oh, lagi lur. Mereka akan nyaksikannya lagi di komentar lagi lur.
That's so cute though.
I guarantee you
That
they're gonna
is
make him
awesome.
when the World Cup happens or something like that.
Oh yeah, he's there. He is so there.
Yep.
That's
So
gotta be
I
amazing,
thought it was so interesting to have a look at this because not many people actually know the origin of it and also the actual musical roots behind it. And do let us know if there's more facts or things like that, so that people can come to the video in the comment section. They can learn a bit more.
Also, I would love to know if there's a specific song that people wrote to. Or like if there's like specific set songs that people just like use in this event.
Maybe.
Oke lur, angel iki angel jos gantus. Lur wakil kedes pokoknya jos top hardcore lur. Baiklah lur, video ini kita reaksi atas permintaan atau saran dari dulu-dulu semua yang baik hati dan juga tidak sombong serta rajin menabung. Tadi sudah kita simak bareng-bareng, kita tonton bareng-bareng lur ya. Ini bagaimana keseruan-keseruan dan kegokilan Waleska dan Evrali, luar biasa banget lur. Ini melihat bagaimana budaya Indonesia ini bisa bikin orang luar negeri sampai takjub. bahkan terpana. Nah, pacu jalur bukan cuma olahraga lur ya, tapi seni, semangat gotong royong, dan kekuatan budaya yang hidup. Dan terima kasih yang sudah menonton reaksi ini, dan jangan lupa nih share kebanggaan kita ke seluruh dunia. Di-share sebanyak-banyak ya lur ya, pokoknya semuanya di-share dengan banyak. Yuk sama-sama kita teriakan bahwa video ini adalah Just Gandol Stop Markoto. Oke lur. Saya tadi komentar bahwa ini lur ya. Dan juga silahkan bagi dulur-dulurku semua yang baik hati, kalau mau request atau menyarankan video mana lagi akan kita reaksi, tulis di kolom komentar. Insya Allah kita akan mereaksi untuk video berikutnya. Dan terima kasih juga untuk channelnya Waleska Herrera dan Mas Evra yang sudah mereaksi video tersebut. Baik lur, sekali lagi kami ucapkan banyak banget terima kasih yang sudah menonton video ini. Semoga menghibur dan bermanfaat lur ya, dan semoga semuanya selalu diberikan kesehatan. Kita doakan lur ya, diberikan kesehatan, diberikan kesuksesan serta kewarasan. Jangan lupa lur, tetap dukung channel ini dengan cara di like, di komen, di share, dan mohon channel ini untuk di subscribe. Alhamdulillah lur ya, atas dukungan, atas perhatian, dan atas bantuan dulur-dulurku semua, channel ini terus meningkat lebih tinggi lagi lur. Terima kasih banget untuk subscribe-nya, dan semoga channel ini dapat berkembang dan menjadi lebih maju lagi 1 kilometer ke depan. Sampai jumpa di reaksi budaya Indonesia selanjutnya, karena budaya kita layak mendunia. Salam santai. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Reaction. Sometimes